వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం. సవై పుంసాం పరో ధర్మో యతో భక్తిరధోక్షజ అహైతుక్యా ప్రతిహత యయాత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయా చక్షురున్మీలితం యేన తస్మై శ్రీగురవే నమః. సవై పుంసా పరో ధర్మో యథో భక్తి అధోక్షజే అహైతిక్యే ప్రతిహత ఏ ఆత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. ఏ ఆత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. మాస్టర్ టు సర్వెంట్. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. ఇన్ ఏ మెటీరియల్ వరల్డ్, servants are generally mistreated. You don't bring it to servant too close to you. But in the spiritual realm, the mood of service is so pleasing that even God himself wants to be servant. So he comes as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He wants to experience the sweetness of the intimacy of service. Why is Srimati Radharani pleasing, so blissful? What is the mystery? Krishna wants to understands, and therefore he takes the form of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Radha Krishna Swarupaya Chaitanyaya Namo Namaha. To understand what is so special, what kind of special feelings Srimati Radharani is experiencing, Srila Prabhupada makes this statement. The most continual form of the intimacy is master to servant. So Srila Prabhupada asked by one devotee. He just got married. He asked Srila Prabhupada, what is intimate relationship between the husband and wife? Srila Prabhupada replied, the wife should cook very nicely, bhoga. The husband should offer with devotion to Krishna, and then he should go out from the house and shout in the street 3 times, if anybody is angry, please come and take prasadam. And wife should serve the nice prasadam. This is the intimate relationship between husband and wife. And the devotee thought that maybe Srila Prabhupada don't understand the question I asked. So he asked again Srila Prabhupada, what is the intimate relationship between husband and wife? And Srila Prabhupada said, characteristically, and then replied again, the wife cooks very nice bhoga, the husband should offer to Krishna with devotion, then he should go out into the street and shout 3 times, if anyone is hungry, please come and take prasadam. Then who will come? The wife should serve nice prasadam. This is the intimate relationship between husband and wife. And the devotee, after one day, he is thinking, maybe Srila Prabhupada did not understand the question. He went again, Srila Prabhupada, I just got married yesterday, recently. I would like to know what is intimate relationship between husband and wife. Srila Prabhupada again replied, Then he replied again, the wife should cook very nicely, the husband should offer very nicely to Krishna and go out in the street, shout 3 times, if anyone is hungry, please come and take prasadam. and the wife should serve prasadam with great respect. Third time, the devotee, although he did not understand, he accepted the answer. First 2 times, he was sure Srila Prabhupada did not understand my question. We are looking for something artificial in the name of intimacy. We want to open our heart, pour out of problems to the other devotees. Somebody say, don't worry. Somebody said, don't worry, everything will be alright. In other words, you want somebody who sold their which we can cry. This is what we think. This is devotees expecting about in the case of intimacy. But intimacy is best experience is service, not by any other way. Just like if you want to, we are a part of a family. First, when you go there, they treat you like a guest. Sit down, take nice prasadam. They give you a bed to sleep. After 3-4 days, they treat you like that. You feel very miserable. You want him like a family member. You ask by them, come and help in the kitchen. At least there are some potatoes. Peel out. Can you please peel this? Some parts will be washed. Then they feel happy. If you treat them like a royal guest all the time, they don't feel any intimacy. Of course, materialistic persons, they are trying to advantage of others. They feel comfortable. Those who are looking for satisfaction of the heart, they want to actually serve. This is the case. So actually render some meaningful service. So this is what we are all looking for. This is the most congenial form of intimacy, the sense of belonging we are looking for comes from rendering such service and appreciated by Krishna. We feel my life is successful. Even something very simple. The queens of Dwarka also like that. They were experiencing total satisfaction because they are always rendering service to Krishna's lotus feet. They considered they themselves are maid servants of Krishna. They never thought that they were queens. Although they were queens, Krishna himself was honoring them. But their own hearts, they thought that they were simply maid servants of Krishna. So our fundamental problem, why we are not satisfied? Because we left Krishna's family. We are eliminated ourselves. What is the elimination from family? Elimination from family means you are not in a mood to serving them. If you go to your father and mother's house and you are behaving like a guest, you feel comfortable, you know. You have to talk to them in a loving way, to take responsibility, setting things right at home. You do it. You don't wait. Father will do, mother will do, brother will do, or another guest will do. In the same way, we exchange ourselves moving around Krishna's family. We have forgotten our position as a servant of Krishna's family. And the total satisfaction of the heart will come when we reinstate ourselves as the servant of Krishna's family. Now what happens? Because we are in Krishna's family, we are outside. Actually nobody is outside. We thought we are outside. When we come back to Krishna consciousness, still we behave, we are strangers. We still expect others will receive us well. Haribol, Haribol. We still expect every time. Welcome, Haribol, Haribol. 3 times he said Haribol. They don't say 2 times. So because of this mentality, still you are continuing. So that means you are not fully cured. But if you continue the association of devotees and observe how they are considering as Krishna's family and serving within family members in the impersonalists, they scared of the family. they left the family because of that reason. They become impersonalists. I stop here. I will continue in next episode. Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki jai, Nitai Gaur Premananda Hari Bol. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.